The magic of daybreak and dusk, understanding sunset and sunrise shots. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a beautiful aspect of nature and photography: sunset and sunrise shots. These moments capture the incredible beauty of the sky as the sun begins to rise or set, painting the horizon in vibrant colors. Whether you're learning English, passionate about photography, or simply love the beauty of nature, understanding these terms will enrich your vocabulary and appreciation for the world around us. Sunset and sunrise shots refer to photographs or videos taken during the sunrise or sunset. These times, known as the golden hours, offer soft, warm light that can transform an ordinary scene into something truly magical. A sunset shot captures the moments when the sun dips below the horizon in the evening, while a sunrise shot captures the sun's ascent in the morning sky. These images are not only stunning but also evoke deep emotions and a sense of calm. Beyond their visual appeal, sunset and sunrise shots carry significant meaning in various cultures and art forms. They symbolize beginnings and endings, hope and closure, and are often used metaphorically in literature and film to represent the cycle of life. For English learners, understanding these concepts can help you interpret stories, poems, and movies more deeply, recognizing the layers of meaning behind the imagery. When learning English, it's helpful to know how to use these phrases in context. You can talk about the beauty of nature, describe a scene in a story, or share your own experiences with sunrises and sunsets. For example, I watched a breathtaking sunset shot in a travel documentary, or the painter captured the sunrise beautifully, highlighting the shades of pink and orange in the sky. We hope this video has shed light on the enchanting world of sunset and sunrise shots, enriching your English vocabulary and offering a new perspective on the beauty of our planet. Remember, these moments remind us of the Earth's natural rhythms and the beauty that can be found in beginnings and endings. Keep exploring, keep learning, and don't forget to look up at the sky now and then. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.